Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make your Strava profile completely private. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your phone. Once it loads up, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. From there, click on You. This takes you to your personal profile area where you can access all your account settings and privacy options. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon sitting there. Click on it to open up the settings menu. This is where all the important configuration options live, including the privacy controls we need to adjust. Once you're in the settings, scroll through the menu until you find privacy controls and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who can see your activities, profile information, and location data. It's the central hub for all your privacy settings on Strava. The first option you'll see is Profile Page. Click on it to expand the settings. Here, you'll notice different radio button options that control who can view your profile. Click the radio button next to Followers. This ensures that only people who follow you can see your profile page, rather than making it visible to everyone on Strava. Next, go back to the main privacy controls screen. Now click on Activities. This setting determines who can see the workouts and exercises you post. From the options that appear, click the radio button next to Only You. This makes all your activities completely private so nobody else can view them, not even your followers. Go back again to the privacy controls menu. This time click on Group Activities. This setting controls whether other people can see when you participate in group workouts or challenges. Click the radio button that says No One. This prevents anyone from seeing your group activity participation. Return to the privacy control screen once more. Now find and click on Flybys. Flybys is a feature that shows when you've crossed paths with other Strava users during your activities. To keep this information private, click the radio button next to No One. This disables the feature entirely so nobody can see when you've been near them during a workout. Go back to the main privacy menu again. Next, locate and click on Local Legends. This feature highlights users who frequently use certain segments or routes. To hide your presence on these leaderboards, click the radio button beside No One. This removes you from local legend rankings completely. Return to the privacy controls one more time. Now click on Map Visibility. This is an important setting that controls whether others can see the routes and locations where you exercise. From the options available, click Hide your activity maps from others completely. This prevents anyone from viewing where you've been running, cycling, or doing any other activities. Finally, you'll see a toggle button right beside Hide All Maps. Click this toggle to turn it on. This adds an extra layer of protection by hiding all your maps across the board, ensuring no location data is visible to anyone. And that's it. Your Strava account is now completely private, with all your activities, routes, and profile information hidden from public view. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.